Welcome to Stray Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And we are here in Mumbai today to talk to women about drinking. So do you guys drink?
Of course.
I don't.
I do.
Occasionally.
Completely occasional.
Not very occasionally.
Why do you drink alcohol?
Moments of high, moments of low. Forget what's happening in the world. Just be yourself. Rock and roll.
To make myself high and happy.
When we are sad.
I think it's about having a good time socially.
What is your poison? What is your go-to drink?
Freezer.
Whiskey.
I enjoy red wine.
I like wine a lot. I like sangria.
I only drink beer.
I'm a whiskey drinker. I do not like vodka. I can't stand tequila.
Anything on the rocks works for me.
I just need a mixture of everything. Beer, I like sangria.
You just said you don't drink.
No, like sometimes.
There's this misconception that people have saying that women drink only Cosmos and vodka.
Something to do with sophistication.
We drink everything, right?
Everything. Anything that comes our way, trust me.
I have friends who can get drunk and who love beers and who love whiskey and rum. They drink like solid hardcore macho drinks.
People only used to associate Bloody Marys and all with women. Plenty of men who are drinking them out there.
There's this urban legend that says that only men can hold their drinks and women just get tipsy in 2 drinks.
Utter rubbish.
Women are in control. We're like always watching because we're wearing those high heels and we don't want to slip and fall. I've fallen like many times. And when it's not even drunk. So when women are drunk and they're dressed up, they want to take care.
Girls can drink, please. Come on. It's a cliche. I think women can do anything in this world. It's just depending on the willpower.
I think it's the men in the club who wobble and fall on top of hot women after they're drunk.
I've had 16 shots of vodka in a row and I was still good to go.
I have a really good capacity. Sorry, I whatever. But I do. Plenty of us who can outdrink a lot of men out there.
I've seen some men who can drink 2 drinks and are flat out, puking their guts out. But I see some women who can drink 7 and be all right.
Tell us about a funny, weird, embarrassing incident that's happened to you or one of your friends when they've been drunk.
At my engagement, my fiance and I are completely thrashed and we have no idea who's at our engagement.
You all got engaged, right?
We got engaged.
You got engaged.
Somehow.
I drank vodka and wine together. I started laughing and laughing. These people thought I was possessed. And I apparently threw money at beggars. Like literally like, take it. Take
Take my money.
Yeah, take my money. Yeah.
They just talk about politics all of a sudden.
I got drunk and everything. And then I kissed a guy.
I had a party recently. This one guy is drinking in happiness that his girlfriend broke up. And 5 minutes later, he's out on the bed. Then I hear,
We've ended up racing around India Gate in Delhi, and then we had cops chasing us. So
It's a good night.
yeah, brilliant night.
Do you think that women who drink alcohol are considered easy by society?
There's stereotypes, not necessarily because they're right, but because that's how the male mind functions.
People drink, people smoke. But when girls do that, people start judging them.
I just think you should do everything you feel like.
mindset. Of course, men from families, elder women think that, oh my God, it's not right for a woman to drink because a woman is supposed to be sitting down at home.
I think it's all about the vibe you give off.
I think we're in too cosmopolitan a city to be saying that, but definitely in rest of India, even in Delhi, much more difficult.
I belong to a family who I have like no boundaries, so they were the first ones to give me a first beer.
There are women in my family who drink and who smoke and stuff, and hard-working, powerful, amazing women, and I'm very proud of them.
We've been fighting patriarchy for ages. One has to come out of it.
Honestly, I personally think I am who I am, and I personally think I'm totally equal and I can do whatever I want. I don't care what anybody thinks or says, and I am responsible and accountable for my own actions.
Should be easy for a woman to say that I drink, I have sex with men who are not my boyfriends, I smoke. It's the society's perception that has to change. I mean, if you're comfortable drinking, it's all upon you. I don't think anyone has the right to judge you. To say as long as they're not paying for your drinks, don't listen.
And do you think men change their behavior towards us once they think we're drunk?
I think they do.
It's like, oh, she's drunk, let's do something.
You get hit on a lot, you get offered a lot of free drinks.
The men I've been with, thankfully, they're more protective. I think there are 2 kinds of men. The one that takes advantage of you and the other men that think they need to take care.
They try to like get a booty call. If I'm drunk and they would try to hit on me, they'll try and force me towards them.
And it's sometimes really sad because they say we have such less good guys in society. Then now we feel scared about drinking in public when we are not with a guy around who we know. I wish people stop taking advantage of the fact that just because females drink, they're easy to go to.
What message would you give to all of the women that are watching this video about drinking responsibly?
Just don't think before getting drunk. Have fun.
Drink how much you want to drink. But yeah, go home safe.
Just make sure that you have a safe way of getting back wherever you're supposed to get back, and otherwise have a ball, yeah.
You should have your tequila shots without any fear.
Drink with people you're safe with.
One should actually drink responsibly. The very gift that God has given you by being a woman, you need to protect it. So you should know your limits and you should train yourself right there.
Aaj hai Friday night and every young woman in this city that never sleeps is possibly drinking. Well, every young woman except me, because you can't drink and shoot. You also can't drink and drive, and you should always drink responsibly. What do you think about all of this? Comment in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Share and subscribe to Stray Dog. Happy drinking. Come here. Do you drink anything apart from milk? I found a friend. We're going drinking tonight.
Have you guys ever had a breakup?
Not really.
No. I haven't dated. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to protect yourself? Are you trying to protect the boys out there?
I guess both. First relationship ended into a marriage.
Are you single?
Yes, we are. Yes, I am. No.
Yeah. I'm not. Are you single? I am.
Married.
If given chance, I'll be single again.
Oh, he's the boyfriend.